Hey my friends and fans, welcome to Pokemon Run. Oh yeah, this music is hype, but oh my god, 500. So are you guys hyped? Let me hear you in the chat if you are, because I'm going to be playing Brick Bronze. Pokemon Brick Bronze. It's a Roblox gaming chat, if you don't know. Are you ready to start your adventure? Yeah! 2 years. I just started to play this game because lots of people like it. Like this game. I recommend you should. It's a really good one. And, where am I? Look. It's regular Roblox. Until. Dun dun dun. Oh man, it's like this weird lab in the middle of a freaking cave that's closed off. Like, what? And then there's this house. With a window you can't even see through. Oh god. And it just turns black. Wake up! Wake up! Oh my god. He just throws the thing out the window. Oh wait. Meow. Meow. I got out of my bed. I can't believe today has finally come. What, Pokemon has actually gotten to you this time? I get my first what? Oh wait, I get my first Pokemon from under the Pokemon professor. How haven't you known that Pokemon is a thing? Came out like 5 years ago, actually. Wait, no. Oh god. Oh god. You're gonna be triggered. But hey, anyway. I don't know when Pokemon came out, but I know it came out a while ago. A long time ago. I've always dreamed to scout on my own adventure with Pokemon by my side. He has to roll down side. There are so many Pokemon in this world. I hope to discover them all one day. Well, they'll just keep adding hundreds and hundreds, so basically almost impossible. Well, I better get going. Oh, I almost forgot what. I need to fill out my trainer card. Oh my god, dude! Oh wait. I almost forgot the first rule. Wait. Last rule. Alright. What in the hell? X. My name is a bunch of hashtags in X. No, I didn't write it correctly. Hunter Killer X. My god, now it's even more hashtags. There's no X. Alright, you know what? Hunter Killer X. And you just put it together. I just type in the Hunter. Oh my god! I can't type in the name, can I? Steve! Yes, I did! Awesome. ID is a bunch of nothing. Badges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0 badges. 8 blank spaces. Blank, money. I'm poor. Very poor. ID, that's too long. I'm not much closer to officially being a Pokemon trainer. Your name is Steve, alright? Alright, attention, new trainers. So let's leave it off. Alright, I've already read this. So make sure you, pause it if you want to read it, so. Alright. So, doing great. And I just completely fall down the stairs. Yeah, no problem. My god, this is so creepy. What the? I can't eat? This game sucks. No, I'm just kidding. Well, that's a nice Eevee picture. I just walk all over the table like I don't even care. Alright, let's just get out of here. Oh, wait, can we watch TV? I don't watch TV. Can I go around? I can't even watch TV. Man, I really didn't pay the electric bills or the water bills. Hey Steve, it's me, Jake. Oh, God. I can't believe we're getting our first... Oh, he's friendly. This is the day we dreamed of since we were kids. Aww. I'm on my way to the lab right now to get mine. Or, wait, no. I'm on my way to the lab to get mine right now. I'll come. Oh, yeah, your parents wanted to see you before you went to the lab. I saw them pass my house there, leading towards the digging. I saw it said dig it. But it's digging site. Hurry and go talk to them. I'll be waiting for you at the lab. Man, why can't I just go straight to the lab? This is a bunch of baloney. Oh, hello. What's your name? Sarah? Some wild Pokemon are harder to catch than others. Yeah, you think? Also, some Pokeball. Oh, you mean Pokemon balls are more effective on certain Pokemon. You know, I know all this. I don't need to listen to you. Oh yeah, this is the digging site. Is this your house? Oh, here they are. They're the random people. Well, now I'll take care of it. We have to keep this secret for everyone's safety. What secret? Boy, you better tell me. It's too dangerous for anyone to go down there. I don't think we should tell anybody about this. Well, I just heard it. Maybe we could tell that new professor. Maybe you're right. Hey, excuse me. Oh, Steve, you startled me. Hey, champ. I'm not your champ or your chump. What the hell's back there? Today is the day you get your first Pokemon. Yeah, but I want to know what's back there. We are so happy for you, sweetie. Sorry we didn't meet you at home. Huh. Yeah, suspicious. You walked all the way over here, ignored me, put all this stuff up here, and said, oh, we didn't meet you at home. We just discovered something in the cave. Oh my god. Please tell me what it is. And this was, what the? Archaeologist. Your mother and I have very... What? You know what? Just screw it. That's right. But enough talking. Let's head down to the professor's lab and you get to pick your very first Pokemon. We'll see you there. What the? Hey, catch up. Catch up to him. Dude, my dude is so slow. Run. Run. He can't even sprint. Run. We'll see you there. Hey, you're just leaving me in the dust. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I got this. And you just closed the door right in my face as it was coming. Yeah, let's open the... Woo! To our first Pokemon. Here, Jake, I think his name was. Oh, hello, my name is Professor Cyrus. Oh my god. I'm the new professor in Mintus Town. I'll bet you're Steve. Your parents were just telling me about you. Yeah, they just told you about 2 seconds of the story as I just burst in. You must be very excited to get your first Pokemon. Yeah, I am. There are a few things you must know about Pokemon first. I already know that. Pokemon are friends and we grow alongside them. They grow and in some cases evolve and change form as we battle with them. I know that. Your Pokemon will grow to love you as you adventure with them. Oh, that's cool. I never knew that before. You noob! This dude's a scrub. Yes, and things we do not know about Pokemon. All these people are noobs. Get off of this game! Steve, I want you to know to pick your first Pokemon that you would like to accompany you on your adventures. Make a choice from these 21 different breeds. Oh, Chespin. I forgot you. Frogget. Or, not Frogget. That's from Undertale. Froggy. Then we have the new, Pokemon Sun and Moon. Then we have the regular. Then we have these types. I have no idea what they are. That one's, Mudkip. Chirpy, I think. Oh, I can't remember his name, but I think it's Ping something. That's, I Ivy, Oshawott, Piglet, I think. And there's Chespin, Froakie, and you again. I kind of want the cat. More. Alright. I kind of want Froakie. I also want the cat. I don't know who I should pick. Cat or Froakie, because Froagie's a really great character. Pokemon. Can I get a Froakie right now? I don't know what this cat evolves into. I don't know these new Sun and Moon Pokemon. I want the cat though. But I also want Froakie, because I know what he evolves into, and Greninja is really strong. But I think I'm gonna go with the new Sun and Moon Pokemon, the cat. So you like Litten? Oh, it tells us the name? Litten, the fire type Pokemon. Yes, I'll take it. And I'll just walk back. Excellent choice, Steve. Yeah, I'm gonna get destroyed. Your new Pokemon is so cute, I know. That Pokemon definitely has potential in battle. I bet Froakie would be better. I hope our Pokemon become best friends like we are. Oh my god, these things are just gonna rip each other apart. Alright, Steve, many challenges await you. Let me give you one other gift that will help you along your way. It's a Pokédex. It's an electronic encyclopedia that will records the kinds of Pokemon you encounter and capture. Alright, that's great. It will also help me in my research with Pokemon. Great. Also, if you'd like to come back anytime and purchase another Pokemon. Ooh! From my assistant, David. Is that you over there? The one in the lab coat, like right there? Now, what are you waiting for? Go and explore the world of Pokemon. Can I just say, attack them, and then just rip them apart? That'd be fun. Yes, Steve, go ahead and have fun with your Pokemon. We need to stay behind and talk to the professor for a minute. Oh my god. We'll meet up with you later. Oh, let me guess. These people are just talking about garbage behind my back. Hey, Steve, wait up. Oh god, it's this dude. Jake, I think. We have Pokemon now. Oh god, this dude wants to battle straight away. Well, guys, I guess we're gonna have to leave it off here. I'll see you later. We'll do a battle next time. Hope you have fun. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what Pokemon is your favorite. Peace.